I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select Tutor LMS for the trigger. Select a task. And select a course as you want. Then click Next. Search and select Mailment. Connect. Next. Choose Actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Mailment Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the Mailment. Thanks for watching.